Welcome to Tech. In this video, I will tell you complete process to update your Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, open setting. On top, you can see a software update is available. It means I need to update my Samsung phone. So I will click on software update. On top, you can see download and install, and you can see that update ready to install One UI 6.1. And in the end you can see schedule install and install now button. So what is the meaning of schedule install? It means that if you don't have data or you have battery issue and you want to update your phone, so you can install it later, you can schedule it later. So I want to install it now, so I will click on install now button, and you can see that software is installing. So now I will check, and you can see that your software is up to date. So in this way you can update your Samsung phone. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.